Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to discuss about the MATLAB and its features. So, what is MATLAB, why we are using, and what are the features that we are going to discuss in this session. So, first, you have to know what is MATLAB. MATLAB is a high performance language for technical computing. So, very important word, the language for technical computing. It integrates the computation, visualization, and programming in an easy to use the environment where the problem and solutions are expressed in familiar mathematical notations. So from this we came to know it is more supportable if our process or project in a form of mathematical notations. So using this we can able to easily handle by the combinations of the computation, visualization, and so on. The typical uses that includes as follows: the math and computation, algorithm development, modeling, simulation and prototyping, data analysis, exploration and visualization, scientific and engineering graphics, application development including the graphics, so on. So this is just an introduction about the MATLAB. So the MATLAB is an interactive system where the basic element of the array that does not require the dimensions. Okay, so it's a basic data element is an array that does not requires. So whenever normally we are using the array, it requires the dimensions. Here the array does not require the dimension. It is highlighted. So this allows you to solve many technical problems, especially with matrix and vector formulations in fraction of time. It would take to write a program in a scalar non-interactive language such as C or Fortran. So what is MAT and what is lab? As we all know, lab is nothing but the laboratory. The MAT is nothing but the matrix, so that it supports more mathematical notations to process it easily. It's originally written to provide an easy access to matrix software developed by the LINPACK and ESPAC projects. MATLAB has evolved over a period of years with input from many users. So as days goes on, industry had started to use this MATLAB. It's a tool to choice for high productivity research, development and analysis, since it can able to combine the visualization, the computation, everything into a single package. So it is a family of the application specific solutions called toolboxes. Okay, so very important to most users of MATLAB, the toolboxes allows you to learn and apply the technology. The toolboxes are the collection of MATLAB function. We call it as a M files that extends the MATLAB environment to solve the particular problem. The area in which the toolbox are available including signal processing, control systems, neural networks, fuzzy logic, wavelets, simulations and many other. So the MATLAB system. The MATLAB system consists of 5 main parts. The MATLAB language, it is a high level matrix language with the control flow statements, functions and the data structures and OOPS features also. It allows both the programming in the small and also in the large. So it can easily able to handle all the complexity level or the bottleneck situations very easily. The MATLAB working environment. So in this the set of tools which facilitates that you to work with the MATLAB users or the programmers. It includes the facility for managing the variables in the workspace and importing and exporting the data. So it includes the tools for developing, managing, debugging and profiling the M files. Okay, we already I told M files is the MATLAB files in the MATLAB applications. So handling the graphic. So the MATLAB which helps us to handle the graphics also. The commands from the two-dimensional or three-dimensional data visualization, processing, animations and other graphics. It also includes the low-level commands, okay, to fully customize the appearance of the graphics as well as the user interface of the graphics on the MATLAB application. The MATLAB mathematical function libraries. So it's a vast collections of all the algorithms and the functions like sum, sine, cosine, and many arithmetic calculations and sophisticated functions like matrix, inverse matrix, eigenvalues, Bessel functions, and fast Fourier transform, so on. So it is an API. API is application program interface. So MATLAB API, it allows us to write the C and the Photon program that interacts with the MATLAB. So you can use any of the language as per the wish. It includes the facilities for calling the routines from the MATLAB through the dynamic linking functions. So we can read and write the MATLAB files. So some of the features that we are using in the MATLAB, it's a high level language, interactive environment, can handle the graphics, mathematical function library supported. So it's an application programmable interface, toolboxes is there, accessing the data, interfacing with other language. I had mentioned very few and many other things also there. So MATLAB is a powerful to application to handle the mathematics computations easily, and some of the commonly used mathematical calculations are dealing with the 2D, 3D plotting and graphing array, linear and algebraic equations, non-linear equations, data analysis, integration, transformation, curve fitting and various. You can see that everything is related to mathematics. As I said earlier, it is one of the very good application for the researcher to make use of these things. So the features of MATLAB. The following are the basic features of the MATLAB. So there are, so far I have told you about the definition of the MATLAB and how the MATLAB is used, advantages, everything. But anyhow, some specific features is there. So the some of the specific features of the MATLAB are as follows. First one, it is a high-level language for numerical computation, visualization, application and development. So high-level language, okay, and as I showed, it's a mathematical. It includes all the thing like visualization, numerical computation and application. So it's easy to handle. Since it will come under a single roof, it is easy to handle. Next, it also provides the interactive environment for the iterative exploration, design and problem solving. That is the second point. Third point, provides a vast library of mathematical functions for linear algebra, statistics, Fourier analysis, filtering, optimization, and many things. Okay. Next, it provides the built-in graphics for visualization data and the tools for creating the custom plots. MATLAB programming interfaces gives the development tool for improving the code quality, maintainability, and maximizing the performance. It provides the tools for building application with custom graphic interfaces. Then followed with it provides the functions for interacting the MATLAB based algorithms and the languages such as C, Java, .NET, Fortran, Excel, etc. See, these are the excellent features in which the MATLAB that has with it. So, dear students, I hope this session will help you to understand what is MATLAB and why we are using MATLAB and what are the things that are supported by the MATLAB and especially the features about the MATLAB. So, if you have any doubts or the clarification further, you can contact gerald.kumar@galkotiasuniversity.edu.in. Thank you all.